Hi everyone, and this is just a quick video to summarize our first week together. I've really enjoyed getting to know you in the forums, and I know sometimes that's a little bit of a limited space for us to actually get to interact, but I do appreciate the level of honesty and candor that I've seen in the forums, and want to encourage you to keep that going, because that's one of the great ways that we can actually get to know each other pretty well and talk about the things that really matter to us beyond just the content of the class. Now, just a couple of things to remind you about with the forums, and that is to make sure that when you're posting your responses and your replies to your fellow peers and students, make sure that you have sufficient depth to those responses so that when you get graded for them, I'm able to give you credit for your own ideas and your own questions and furthering the conversation rather than just simply agreeing with or sort of giving some kudos to somebody else, even though that's important too. And then secondly, as we walk into this next week, I want to just encourage you to keep doing as Scott McKnight has been saying in his book, to think about yourself in the context of the story. Many of you have said, I'm not sure how I fit into the story of the Exodus, or why am I studying this in the first place? And as we continue to ask those questions and to think through that content together, I want you to just consider, where do you find yourself in that story? What is your Exodus story as it relates to the text itself? And so let's think a little bit about that this week. And then also, finally, remember your signature assignment, the big assignment that we have for this class. We want you to start thinking through that this week. So take a few moments to think about that, to familiarize yourself with the requirements for that. And as always, I'm available to you, so please find me on social media if you like, or send me an email, or whatever is the most convenient and easiest way for you to track me down. And even though I'm a few hours away, I will be more than happy to engage with you. So let's keep going this week and look forward to talking to you more. Thanks.